Hello students of Standard 5. Today we are going to learn how beautiful is the rain, part 4. We have seen part 1 and 3, how the rain is useful for the people, how they long for the water. It says that rain play an important role in our life. It makes the earth cool and the air clean. Crops, trees, flowers, plants need rain, and we too. H.W. Longfellow, a famous American poet, praises it and describes how different people welcome the rain at the end of a hot summer. Dear children, this rainy season is something very wonderful because it is neither hot nor cold. It's a pleasant weather. Everywhere water is there, and when rain falls, the plants, trees all feel happy because they get sufficient water. Only rainy season, the big trees, they get water. We plant somehow and pour the water for the small plants, but not the big trees. Very rare we give. Those who have sufficient water system, they only can give. So this rainy season, only they get proper water. And many plants, trees, animals and people feel happy because rain purifies the water area, purifies the air and washes its dirt all around, settle the dust on the earth and water flows. So rainwater is very good, and many people there are like officers and some children who cannot play in the rain or cannot go to the office. They feel what rain, dirty fellow, makes everywhere messy. But normally everyone likes, especially farmers feel very happy. As the rain starts or clouds takes around surroundings, the farmer take their spade, their plow and they go to field. They want to cultivate, they want to plant. If they have put seedlings, they want to replant it in the field. So they feel very happy and pleasant to go there and do the needful. Dear children, we also come and enjoy in the water. Many people play football in the rain. Little rain is there. Then they enjoy playing. Many children, they run in the water and play. Parents has to shout at them, come. Otherwise, they enjoy, they play in the rain water. They get wet. Mummy says you will fall. You may have cold. You may get fever. Come in. But children, they don't listen. They enjoy. They run slowly. They try to get wet and they enjoy. So children, rain is really very important for everyone, whether it is plant or animal or human. If the earth has water, we have life where we can take the water and receive. I have told you earlier, many people do the rain harvesting. Rain harvesting means they make a pond or tank where they collect the water, rainwater, and they use it later on by filtering it. Now we see once full this poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roads like the trump of hoops, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane, It pours and pours, and swift and wide, like a river down the gutter roars the the welcome rain. Dear children, he says that rain is very good, cleans all the area, dust gets settled, dirt goes away, and gutters are flowing like a river, and also wherever the places gets the rainwater this way, that way, this way, that way, up and down, they go away, cleaning all the area. Even the air is purified. So, they enjoy, and he says, welcome rain, welcome. Who says this? H.W. Longfellow. H.W. Longfellow was born in Portland, 27th February 1807. He was born in 27th February 1807 in Portland, and he died 24th March 1882 in Cambridge. Where did he die? He died in Cambridge on 24th March 1882. He lived his life, but he wrote many poems and also songs he wrote. He was an American poet. He has written many poems. His books are available in library, and also you can read about him in the net. You can ask Google about H.W. and you can get more knowledge about him. And in our library also there are many books about him, about his writings, and so on. I have told you, rain has advantages and disadvantages. If rain is more, we have destruction. If rain is less, we have drought. And if rain is sufficient, we have plenty, everything happy. Okay, children? So, thank you so much for listening this, and I hope you have understood this poem and learned well. So, please learn all the word meanings and the poem. Thank you.